देखो अभी क्या बोला तुमने
Team has continued the checks that have been going on, and today we have done checks at selected areas. We covered premises in Kanka, we covered premises in Arpora, in the Kalangut belt, and we covered premises here in this Kanka junction. Okay, altogether 11 premises were inspected, and from there we have closed 6 we have closed down due to unhygienic conditions. Also, we have done stock detainment of these confectionery items primarily because of mislabeling. So, you see these chocolates, so-called chocolates, are commonly sold, and we are misleading consumers by calling them chocolates. But these are not chocolates; they are confectionery items which are made with vegetable oil, and as per our standards, they don't fall under the chocolate category. Hence, we have seized these items, and we have also taken up this matter with the manufacturer to ensure that this misleading, of these chocolate items stops. So this is something that we have taken up. A large amount of stock has been seized, and we will be filing also a case in this particular area. And these are actually samples which we have drawn, which will be sent to the laboratory to get a detailed analysis of the contents. Besides that, we have also shut one restaurant here, and it was very unfortunate to see that in spite of so many checks of the FDA and in spite of very good coverage that you are giving, this kitchen condition was really bad. Rodents were also observed in the kitchen, hence this premises was fined 20,000 under section 69, and we have asked them to close and comply. So this has been a summary of the activity that is done today.
तो सकाळच्यान खंय रेड मारिल्ली आसा?
आम्ही ही सांची स्टार्ट केल्ली. So we started off with the Mapsa yard. So Mapsa yard, our visits are on. Today also we have redrawn samples of banana, around 6 samples of banana has been drawn, which will be sent for analysis. And these checks are continuing. So we have maintained a very strict surveillance at the Mapsa yard. After the Mapsa yard, we have moved to Kanka area, Vella Kanka. Then we moved to Arpora in the Kalangut area, and now again we have come here to the Kanka junction.
So total visit
11 premises we
out
have
of that
inspected.
6 are closed.
6 are closed. The others are given some minor corrective notices. The non-compliances were minor, which can be complied. Truffle chocolate.
Yes.
Okay. तुम्ही पैसे झाले, it is manufactured in Gujarat.